Here are 100 of the most commonly used English words with example sentences. Time. Time passes quickly when you talk to good friends. Year. I was born in the year 1990. People. The people in my neighborhood are friendly. Way. There's more than one way to solve this problem. Day. Today is a beautiful day for a picnic. Man. The man walking down the street waved at me. Thing. I can't find my keys. It's one thing I always misplace. Woman. The woman who lives next door is a doctor. Life. He wanted to live a life of travel before his kids were born. Child. My child loves playing with his toy cars. World. Exploring different cultures helps us understand the world better. School. I have to drop my son off at school every morning. State. The state of the economy affects everyone. Family. Family gatherings are always filled with laughter. Student. As a student, I spend a lot of time studying. Group. We formed a study group to prepare for the exam. Country. Canada is a beautiful country to visit. Problem. Finding a solution to this problem will take some time. Hand. Please give me a hand with these heavy boxes. Part. Every part of the puzzle must fit perfectly together. Place. Let's find a quiet place to have our lunch. Case. The police were given a difficult case to solve before the summer ended. Week. I usually go grocery shopping once a week. Company. My dad works for a multinational company. System. Our solar system consists of 8 planets. Program. My program at school is giving out scholarships for a summer class. Question. Do you have any questions about the assignment? Work. I have to finish my work before I can go home. Government. She works for the federal government. Number. What is the number for the emergency hotline? Night. I love stargazing on a clear night. Point. Can you please clarify your point? Home. I told my sister I would call her when I got home. Water. Don't forget to drink water after you exercise. Room. Her room is always tidy and organized. Mother. My mother makes the best lasagna. Area. This park is a popular picnic area. Money. I need to save up some money for my vacation. Story. Grandma used to tell us bedtime stories when we were kids. Fact. It's a well-known fact that exercise is good for your health. Month. My birthday is in the month of May. Lot. We bought a vacant lot to build our dream house. Right. People in the United States have the right to freedom of speech. Study. I need to study for my upcoming exam. Book. I always read a book before going to bed. Eye. Her eyes slowly became accustomed to the dark. Job. Finding a job in this economy is tough. Word. The word perseverance means to persist doing something difficult. Business. She runs her own successful catering business. Issue. The environmental issue is becoming more pressing. Side. What side of the debate are you on? Kind. What kind of car are you looking for? Head. My head hurts. I think I need some rest. House. They just moved into a new house in the suburbs. Service. The customer service at that store is excellent. Friend. She's been my best friend since kindergarten. Father. My father taught me how to ride a bike. Power. He got a lot of power with his new position in the company. Hour. The meeting will start in half an hour. Game. We like to play board games on family night. Line. There was a long line at the movie theater. End. We reached the end of the road and had to turn around. Member. He's been a member of the club for years. Law. Breaking the law can have serious consequences. Car. She needs a car to get to work. City. New York City is known as the Big Apple. Community. Our community comes together to support each other. Name. Can you tell me how to spell your name? President. The president addressed the nation in her speech. Team. Our soccer team won the championship. Minute. I'll be there in just a minute. Idea. She had a brilliant idea for a new invention. Kid. The kids were playing at the park when it started to rain. Body. Regular exercise is good for your body. Information. We need more information before we can make a decision. Back. I hurt my back while lifting heavy boxes. Parents. My parents are coming to visit next week. Face. She had a big smile on her face. Others. Think about how your actions affect others. Level. She's at the top level of her profession. Office. I need to stop by the office to pick up some paperwork. Door. Please close the door behind you. History. Studying history helps us understand the plan for the future. Party. We're throwing a birthday party for my sister this weekend. Result: his hard work resulted in excellent grades. Change: I've changed jobs twice in the last 10 years. Morning: I enjoy going for a jog in the morning before work. Reason: there's always a reason behind every decision. Research: she spent months conducting research for her thesis. Girl: the little girl giggled as she played with her dolls. Guy: that guy over there is my brother's friend. Moment: this was a moment we will never forget. Air: the air in the countryside is so fresh and clean. Teacher: my favorite teacher in high school inspired me to become a science teacher. Force: the police used force to break up the fight. Education: education is important for opening up better opportunities. Health: maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise is essential for good health. Art: I like going to art museums on a rainy day. War: the war was long and difficult.